things and differentiate what's safe and what's not through watching other people. Moreover, when you watch others, you also come to understand people. You understand why they behave the way they do, what identity they claim, and what role they play in society. Basta ang social self is kanang pag-socialize mo na, so maka-learn ka depending on your experience with other people through through socializing. So makasabot ka sa mga behaviors and why they act that way. Since kablo naman, since one anong nga ilang behavior towards others, we believe that self is not present at birth, rather it develops over time through social experience and activities. Yes, because self is not present at birth, magka-develop na siya as you grow and socialize with other people. So as you socialize, you learn many things through experiences and developing the self. Lead siya to 3 stages of self-development. Naghanang nimukuan eh, theory.
Siya language, play, and game.
We have language, play, and game. So language, according to me, self-development and language are intimately tied. So connected daw sila. Self-development and language. Through shared understanding of symbols, gestures, and sounds. Language gives the individual to express themselves while at the same time comprehending what the other people are conveying. That is language. So language enables us to understand each other, which helps develop ourselves. Dayon, play, the second stage of self-development. This level involves role play or assume the perspective of others. Role playing allows a person to internalize some others people's sige others people's perspectives. Naghanag isa other people's perspectives. Hence, they develop an understanding of how other people feel about themselves in a variety of situations. Nung konti mo yung others, di ba na
Oo, katong sa kuan, party list.
Basta,
So, dahil na again.
enables the person to internalize some. As a second, at least level in those role play or assume the perspective of others. So mo siya imitate ko nila ang perspective sa others. Enables a person to internalize some other people's perspective. Hence, they develop an understanding of how the other people feel about themselves. For example, yung action kay mag-iawat nimo. So, through with that, sa pag-awat nimo, maka-understand ka ganong, for example, ganong ganahan siya magbuhat o ingato. So, makasabot ka sa iyang shoes na ganong ingato siya inactingan. So, that is play through role playing or imitating other person's personality. Ang tayo ng last ay game. The game stage is the level where individual not only internalizes the other people's perspective, he or she is also able to take into account societal rules and rehearsal. According to me, the self developed by understanding the rules, and one must abide by it to win the game or be successful in an activity. So the game stage is the level where individual is not only internalizes other people's perspective, so ang game kay na siya follow ng rules according to here, and mo i-apply sa mga one. So ma-develop nimo siya ay mong self by pagsabot sa rule, and dapat ka mosunod ani para ma-win mo ang game or be successful ang activity. Pwede na yan sa buta na ka kapag para masabtan nimo ang laing tao ba para kasinabot mo 2 sides of self, I and me. So I is the part of the self that is unsocialized and spontaneous. I represents impulses and drives, enables him or her to express individualism and creativity and does not blindly follow rules. Understands when to bend rules. it contracts a response based on what has been learned by the me. So ang me is the product of what the person has learned while interacting with others and with the environment. The me exercises social control over itself. It sees to it that the rules are not broken. So I doubt how once na how
Siguro
express
in-
din
in
yung
a good
pagalingon.
way.
Yes. How you express yourself. Dili ka mo ay makakabalo ka nga kamsa ka mo follow ang rules or dili. Basta yung mga impulses ka na basta in your own way lagi ang pagalingon. Whereas ang me is how you present yourself sa other people.
What
Well,
others
of course, I
expected.
learned, expect me mo. So, mag-stress ka social control. Example, if ingana na sa na environment ka na demure, so, makikifit in po ka, makidemure po ka, nilihokan ka, that's the me. Then, so, mo-follow ka girl. Dili ka mo act impulsively, like mag-sinaltik ka na dito. Para si Rian. Serious mo kasi Rian.
Ay ba, serious mo? Diba sa
Lock-in siya, lock-in.
Bulig ito ni si Ken.
So I am
Huwag
how
tularan.
people see me. On the inside and on the outside.
Mana, dire na to sa
Akin
ilakarin.
sometimes, sige daw, review daw.
Uy, wala pa to sa katong ano.
Ano akong psychology?
What is a scheme?
Wait, kumata.
Explain it.
So, ang psychology, it's the study of the mind, how it works and how it affects behavior. It is a scientific study of how people behave, think, and feel. So, magkuhan siya, psychology means mental, brain. Everything that concerns a human is the concern of psychology. So, according to Piaget,
John
Jean,
Albert.
a Swiss clinical psychologist known for his pioneering work in child development, he pioneered that the theory of cognitive development, comprehensive theory about the development of human intelligence. So, cognitive development is a progressive reorganization of mental processes resulting from biological maturation and environmental experience. Imong thinking can develop through biological maturation, like as time goes by magka-develop yung mga cognitive thinking muna cognitive development kaya mag-develop yung pag-unahuna through maturation ay till mature ka. Three basic components to Piaget's Mabatis ko ka. Three basic components
Over naman
to
sa S.
Piaget's to Piaget's cognitive theory. So we have schema or schemes, habitation, and stages of learning development. So schema or schemes, these are the building blocks of knowledge or mental organization that individual use to understand their environments and designate actions. For example, schema. Ang schema ani kay ang bird daw may feathers, beaks, wings, o talons. Pero ang pag-internalize ng mga niya kay object ko siya set of mga detail niya ng mga parts masino mo siya as objects since mo na yung first nakitaan. So mo na yung murag matatak sa na. So natay types of schema. We have person schemas, which is the behavior, appearance, personality, and preferences. We have social schemas. So mo siya minsan we tayo mga murag naibawaan itong like for example, ang schema kay ka ng murag how you think you should act. Kaya murag mo ni murag na perceive itong ingani ka yung action kay mo na first yung nibawaan. For example, behavior, appearance, personality, and preferences. And social schemas, dapat respectful ka. Since lalaki ka, you pay for movie tickets. Don't eat garlic, pwede mo naman baba. Self-schemas are future doctors, smart, hates broccoli. And event schema, professionalism, portfolio, business suit, handshake, and adaptation, involves the child's learning process to meet the child's demands. So we have two, assimilation and accommodation. Ang assimilation is using an existing schema to deal with a new object or situation. I see. So the process of taking in new information into our previously existing schemas is called assimilation. Example, a boy saw an airplane and from existing schema, he called it bird. Kay ang na-perceive nila kay murag basta ang tanang mulupad
Bird.
kay bird. So pagtuong na ang nilupad kay bird na siya kay murag schema niya nga first niya na learn. So ang yung natatsa mo na kay ang tanang mulupad kay mga bird. So that is called assimilation. Whereas an accommodation is an introduction or introducing new information. So another part of this involves changing and altering our existing schemas. So ma-change na siya as
So,
we learn
nag-add
new
siya ang
information.
knowledge.
Maka siyang knowledge. Example, itong una, ang pagsabot niya kay sa mga tanang malupad kay bird. Dinayang mama, yun lang siya nga. Di na bird na, lahi ang mga kuha ng di na siya non-living things or di na siya buhi. Like, na yung makina, so malupad siya, pwede siya bird. Moto, si Lucky, kada ko na nga, kabulot ka nga, nakakata mga malupad kay dilit pa ng langgam.
Oh, is it?
Pwede tao, pwede ano na, pwede airplane. Okay, natay stages of cognitive development. Natay pat. So we have sensory motor, pre-operational, concrete operational, all formal operational. So sensory motor 2 years old. Below. Ang pre-operational stage ay 2 to 7. Ang 7 to 11 ang complete. Ang formal, 12 and up. So,
Formal na to, guys.
ang sensory motor is the child learns by doing, looking, touching, and sucking. And the child also
Ready
has
ko, gilagin natin mga word ay.
primitive understanding of cause and effect. So, object permanence appears around 9 months. So, maka-learn ang child through observation. At kung sa'yo nakita nila, so mo ma-apply sila ang mind. So, ang pre-operational, 2 to 7 years old, the child uses language and symbols, doing letters and numbers. Egocentrism is also evident. Conservation marks the end of the pre-operational stage and the beginning of the post-operational. Ito yun na, kablo na, ito yung stage ko. Bata kay kablo ng storya, mga symbols, languages,
Colors.
egocentrism. Search down for egocentrism. March to the end of the pre-operational stage. Voidlet.
Bunang yurot akong load.
Sa mga
Ganyan pag ang buntag ka pala.
concrete operations, the child distinguish one's own difficulty, di ka kuhaan ka mo ka-distinguish siya, kalayaan. And it's also evident, so, di ba ya ka-distinguish kung sa'y kalayaan sa nga butang. Sa concrete operations, the child demonstrates conservation, conservative ng mga tao, reversibility, zero ordering, and a mature understanding of cause and effect. And yun sa nakasabot, slightly nakasabot. Pwede pa, fully. So, isa makabalas sa cause and effect. Kasi may tabuan niya kung buhat niya na kung sa effect niya. And from operation, individual demonstrate abstract thinking. Pwede yung siya, not fully developed, but kuhaan ka nang develop na siya. The concrete na siya.
Wait,
So,
ito to?
sensory motor, pre-operational, concrete operation, o formal operation. Ang pinakataas, ito pong kuhaan. Dili karong tulo man yun. Kuhaan, ito.
Schema.
Schema.
Adaptation.
Adaptation
Of
of
self-development.
three stages of
Stages of
cognitive
cognitive
development.
development ay self-development.
Under ang kwan ang adaptation,
Assimilation
or
and
accommodation, accumulation, assimilation, and
Accommodation. Accommodation kay adds knowledge. Assimilation kung wala pa siya kakuan.
Okay. Then, ang Harter's, according to a Harter's self-development concept, Dr. Susan, and detailed the emergence of self-concept and asserted that the broad developmental changes observed across early childhood, later childhood, and adolescence could be interpreted within a Piagetian framework. Development of self-concept, according to Harter, in early childhood. The child describes the self in terms of concrete, observable characteristics, physical attributes, material possessions, behaviors, and preferences. Ang middle to late example, the self is described in terms of trait, like construct, what would require the types of hierarchical, organizational skills, characteristics, and logical development. Adolescence. This is the emergence of more abstract self definitions such as inner thoughts, emotions, attitudes, and motives. Emerging adults mark character self, beginning adults na bigyan ng possible. So kay William James, the me self, I self,
Ano man? Isa
Wrote
mo,
that principle.
si ug si ay.
principal of
Ano pa rin?
nabutoy si I ug si me din. I, me self, I self. Wrote the personal psychology, known as the
Ay,
father
pero
of
naman ako.
psychology. Philosopher, psychologist. According to him, the self has two elements, I self and the me self. I self, the pure ego, that is subjective self. It is the self that's aware of its self.
Ay, pareho sa isa.
Ano sa I ganina?
Katong
Ang I ganina,
your own way.
your own way. Ang me kay how you act. Kanang di ka mo groove. Di ka mo break ng groove. Me. A sense of being, sa awareness mo siya. Sense of being the agent of the self. I believe my actions have an impact. A sense of being unique na, diba? Immersion pa yun to. A sense of being the agent or initiative behavior. A sense of being unique. I perceive that there is only me. One me then. A sense of
For
continuity.
sense, ay for features of myself. Sense of being, the agent or
Mataas lang gali.
unique, continuity, awareness about being aware, awareness of about being unique, continuity,
Self being the agent or initiator. The self being an agent or
Agent
initiator
or
of behavior.
agent
Being
or the
unique. Self. A sense of being unique. A sense of being
continuity,
continuity.
aware about being aware,
Aware of being.
awareness about being aware, agent or
The me self,
initiator.
the self that is the object. It's the self that you can describe such as your physical characteristics, personalities, social role, or relationship, thoughts and feelings. So dimensions of the me self na ay material, physical, appearance, and extension of it such as clothing. The me self is how you clothe yourself.
Ang myself kay unsay makita sa others nimo.
Hmm. So, mo. Taong tayo. Yan, social self, tayo social, at tulong kayo dimension ng me self. Material, social, or spiritual.
Material, social, spiritual. Ang I self being in
Aware.
No.
Aware.
Aware?
Aware sa imong pan, sa imong self. Awareness.
Initiate.
Awareness of its own action.
Again, ba ang katong
Ay, ano.
ini oh.
Being,
So agent or
a sense of being,
initiator.
a sense
Agent,
of being
the
the
agent
agent
or
or initiator of behavior. In the sense of being unique.
Yung
A sense of
continuity.
continuity. And the sense of
Awareness of being
awareness of
aware.
being aware.
Ang one yun ba? Agent
of initiator or initiator of behavior. The sense of being the agent or initiator of behavior. The sense of being unique, sense of continuity, and the sense
of
of awareness of being
aware.
aware. And then si myself kay
Social,
material, social, and
spiritual, social, material, social, spiritual.
MSS.
Material, social, spiritual. Ang material, physical appearance, clothing. Ang social, social skills, spiritual, personality, character.
Review na pambalik sa pagmata. Ito power to others, motivated by self, motivated by music. Ideal self is real self. Yeah, ay wala ka na eh.
Okay na.
Amo na yung report, yan yung pindirita mo.
Ay, di ay.
Wag ka din sa, ano ka sa anthropology?
Antro.
So,
Antro.
anthropos meaning man or human.
Bye-bye.